This Flowmaster direct fit catalytic converter is for those of you with a 2.5 liter 97 or 98 TJ that need to replace the catalytic converter. These don't last forever. If yours is clogged, broken, you otherwise need a new one to pass a smog test, this is going to be a direct fit replacement that will install very, very easily. Definitely a 1 out of 3 wrench installation. You might even be able to get this done in around an hour or so. However, exhaust systems are notoriously rusty, so if you have some rust on your Jeep, it may take a little bit more time to break everything loose. The good news is the old system that you're getting rid of, you're not going to be reusing, so you can get out the Sawzall, get a little bit creative with removing the old one to speed things up a bit, and we'll talk more about that installation in just a second. So catalytic converters in general are going to be pricey. They have some precious metals on the inside here that are going to help do the conversion of the gases. So these are overall, they're a little bit pricey. They're going to be a little bit more expensive than just getting a muffler, for instance. But if you need it, you need it. And if you're going to get it, you might as well get one from a reputable company like Flowmaster, where you know everything's going to fit really well. You're going to get a bit of a warranty with it, and it's going to install easily. As far as the construction goes, there's not a whole lot to say about this. It's going to be something that will fit directly up with your factory piping. Here you're going to have the piece that connects onto your header. This is going to run back into the catalytic converter that will then go to the over axle pipe. You have bungs here and here for your upstream and downstream O2 sensors. You have your hanger in place here that's going to go right on that factory hanger. So overall, a very simple setup. It says it right in the name. This is a direct fit catalytic converter. It will fit directly in place of that factory unit. As for the install, again, 1 out of 3 wrenches, about an hour unless you have a lot of rust. The first step is going to be removing a couple of clamps from your factory system in order to disconnect that center piece, that catalytic converter piece that you need to remove. Once you have your clamps undone, and again, you can get out the Sawzall, the hacksaw, the cutoff wheel, whatever you need to in order to cut those old clamps, because this comes with all new hardware, and chances are you're not going to be reusing any of that old stuff anyway. So get that old system out of the way, and then starting from the front to the back, bolt in your new system, remembering to move your O2 sensors over into the new system. One trick for those O2 sensors, if they are stuck, of course you can spray them with a good penetrating oil like anything else, but heating up the exhaust system just a little bit, letting the vehicle run for a short period of time, can help to break these loose. That way you don't have to bust out a propane torch or oxyacetylene. You can actually just use the engine heat to help break that free. So once you have everything switched over, again, work from the front to the back, tightening down all your hardware, and you're done. This catalytic converter is going to run you right around $200. I do think that's going to be a good price for the quality that you're getting here and the fitment that you're going to get. This is going to be direct replacement. You don't have to cut and make something work. This is going to go right in place of that factory system. Like I said before, all catalytic converters are a little bit pricey. You'd probably rather spend that $200 on other more fun mods for your Jeep, but if you need a new cat, you need one, and if you need one, I think this is a pretty good option. So if you need a new catalytic converter for your Jeep, you want one that's going to bolt right into place, be less of a headache from the install perspective, I definitely recommend looking at this one from Flowmaster, and you can find it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.